Hello all. Now we will discuss about flip class. So, what is flip class? Flip class is an innovative teaching learning methodology where student participations and involvement matter a lot. Why it is important? As we all know that student will not read the assignment portions, whatever we are giving to them, and in class group, if we have students, then they are very much uh, shy to just explore themselves, and the entire exercise mostly take two consuming. That's what we simply represent this flip class activity. Now this flip class activity will encourage the critical thinking, promote student accountability, collaborations and teamwork, and also encourage interpersonal communication skills with confidence. So, for the flip class activity, we have chosen the topic, that is Government of Indian from Indian Constitution. In that particular, we are going to discuss on the election and power of President of India, how we are elected the President of India. Similarly, the Prime Minister and Council of Minister, their election and the power and the functions which they have. Then how the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha compose, what are the composition factors, what are the different elements it has. Now, with this topic, what is the outcome and the objective to have the flip class activity on this? So first we need to recognize the distribution of power and the structure with the function of Indian state and central government. And secondly, it will be very important to you all for the preparation of non-technical competitive examination. So let's understand how you're going to prepare it. So for that, I have already uploaded the learning materials on Moodle. You just go through it and access it. From there, you have the PPT for understanding what point you should cover, and also the procedure to elect the different designation as mentioned on you. And also you can access the different resources like YouTube for better understanding. So on as in Monday class, I have give you the brief idea about flip class and how we're going to promote, how we're going to execute it. So in upcoming Thursday, that is 13th October 2022, we are going to execute this activity. So first we'll have a quiz just to know the prerequisite knowledge to access your understanding. And as I already told you that it has, I have allotted 15 marks and it will be considered as ISC 1 for you all. With this, you also need to know that I'm going to have a heterogeneous group for this activity. Means you need to work on group, and there will have time for a discussion. About 15 minutes I'm going to give you for discussion among the peer, among the groups, and then you need to come up with some strong understanding about the topic which I'm going to basically give you. Similarly, the student, we need to go for one student group leader which will share the learnings and important point about this activity, flip class activity, as well as about the topic which you have discussed among yourself. Second and more important point, we will have the feedback also, which we need to put, which I'll share in Google form, all of you. So all the best. I hope you have understand the flip class activity. It is flip because you need to be more active about that, and you need to be basically act as the instructor, you need to be act as a teacher, okay, where you need to understand all these concepts, and you need to speak it out with different interpersonal skills. Thank you.